For me, yeah. I think, you look at the cost of how electricity goes up and you feel like, hey, I'm getting this for free. I've already paid for it since we've been open now almost 8 years, and we've completely paid for our solar. And so now it's just free. So, it's one of those things where it's another cost to my business that I just don't have.
That just allows you to be more competitive because somebody else who opens the same business would probably have a $2,500 a month electric bill, ours is $300 a month.
Nick and I always talk that we have so many patients that do so many things, and we always are looking for new products and stuff. And we always say, we should have a board like the Angie's List type thing. These are the things that we trust and we have found to work. And I keep a stack of Peak Power cards on my desk, and I just hand them out to my patients when we talk about it, because I have absolutely no reservation about saying Matt is going to take care of you. He's going to do what he says, and it's going to come in at the right price, and you're going to get what he promised. And if I tell a patient that, some guy goes out there and he just doesn't perform, I look horrible. And so Matt's, Peak Power, one of those things that I feel totally confident that when I recommend them, it's just going to get done right, and I'm going to look good because of it.
And we probably recommended 5 people in the last 5 months. So, and that's our reputation that we're putting on the line when we're recommending people. So it shows that we trust them and our patients trust us, so they feel confident with them. So it's an easy relationship.